wake up in the morning, I'm ready for the school. My friends and teachers waiting, and it is time for school. Let's go! Joyous.
Hello teachers,
Hello my friends. Joyous.
put down my bag,
Sit on my chair.
I
Joyous.
love playing,
I love learning.
Joyous.
And this is how we learn. Yay!
Hi children, welcome back. I'm teacher Ada. Now, we are going to do cattail Play-Doh, yarn Play-Doh, and fishbone Play-Doh. What do we need if we want to play Play-Doh? Of course, the Play-Dohs. So I got few colors of Play-Doh over here. You will prepare the Play-Doh and I'll see you in 1 second. Hi children, welcome back. Now, we are at Fishbone Play-Doh. Okay, so who actually eat fish? Let's find out together. So we have the tail over here and the bones over here that is not being filled out yet. So, since the fishbone is blue, let's take the blue Play-Doh and fill it up. So I'm going to take it like this, roll it like that, and roll it like this, and paste it over here. Put it like that. Fill it up nicely. I think I need a little bit more over here. Going to do like that. Okay, one more bones, and then we go to the tail. Go, and the tail. Roll it like that. Bit more like this. There you go, and that is done for the first one. And let's move on to the next one. That is yarn Play-Doh. And which animal play yarn? Right, never mind. Let's just complete this one first and then see what animal that we have. Okay, so for the yarn, you see there's long yarn over here. What we will do is that we are going to do like this. Roll it to become smaller, and I'm going to do like that. Roll it smaller, tinier, and like that. Take a bit more of the green, and let's do it like this. Wow, that's a long yarn, isn't it? I don't think I have enough green. Okay, I'm going to combine it with yellow color. Bit more. And there you go. And that is the yarn. And let's move on to the next one. And you can guess what's the animal already. And that is the cat. Oh, it's Mr. Johnson cat. And look at the cat. It has a missing tail. Right, I am going to help the cat. We are going to use yellow color. Roll it like this. And put it like this. Some more. There you go. That is Mr. Johnson's tail. Okay children, we are done with our Play-Doh activity, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye-bye! I wake up in the morning, I'm ready for the school. My friends and teachers waiting, and it is time for school. Let's go! Joyous.
Hello teachers,
Hello my friends.
Joyous.
Put down my bag, sit on my chair.
Joyous.
I love playing, I love learning.
Joyous.
This is how we learn.